Guys, we're making Milo kasi did not like and comment for part 2. Then I buy some. I break the first Milo, so I buy. So I don't have so we're using this one. So we need to shake this one to form it. Go. This one here. Oh, just break it. I like that. And then ta-da! There's so many dots there, guys. So we need to let's go. Okay, we need to put it here. And especially, can I borrow your iron?
Yes.
So guys, I'm finding the iron.
Where is it? Where are you?
So guys, Neil is finding the iron. ASMR challenge. ASMR challenge. So guys, I will wear this one for a clean. Oh my god. So guys, I cannot find it. So subscribe and like for my part 2 to make it the chocolate. Bye bye.